Is your hair not growing? Like, do you feel your hair has been at one stage for a longer period? This treatment over here is going to get that solved in 7 days. Just keep on watching this video and do well to subscribe. Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to today's video. How are you all doing? So guys, in today's video we're going to be using this very potent ingredient to make a treatment that is going to show you visible results in 7 days if you use it daily. So the ingredient I'm talking about is moringa powder, guys. A lot of you already know moringa has a lot of benefits for hair growth. It helps you to promote faster hair growth. It helps you to stop hair shedding, alopecia, bald spots, and itchy scalp. So in today's video we're going to be using it to make hair growth oil. So guys, I went ahead and added 2 spoons of the moringa powder to my bowl, and I went in with olive oil. You can use coconut oil, you can use almond oil. The point is just use the best oil that works for your hair. So if you are not making much, you can just use 1 spoon of the moringa powder because the powder is very potent. So I went ahead to add more oil to my mixture, and this is what it's looking like right now, guys. And guys, I am using this opportunity to apologize for my audio. In my recent videos my mic has been malfunctioning, and at this point I'm just trying to save up to get a better one, so please bear with me for the time being. So guys, I am going to go ahead and double boil this. This is a simple way to do double boiling. You just put water in a pot, then place your bowl containing your mixture inside the pot and just allow it to heat up for some minutes. This is going to start the infusion immediately. If you don't want to use this method, you can just heat up your oil before adding the moringa powder. It's still going to give you the same result. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and cover this and leave it in my kitchen cabinet for 1 week. Remember, the longer you infuse your DIY hair growth oil, the more potent it will make the oil be. So I am going to leave it in my kitchen cabinet for a week or more. Fast forward to 4 days later, guys, I was so impatient, so I had to bring out my oil, and this is what we have. It's looking so greenish, and it is also going to be so potent. So I am just going to go ahead and strain this, guys. So guys, if you have watched to this point without subscribing, please kindly subscribe and remember to turn on your bell notification, and please give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can push out this video to people who are looking for natural hair growth remedy to grow their hair, guys. So guys, while I filter the oil, I am going to share with you benefits of moringa for hair growth. Moringa contains vitamin A, vitamin B, and omega-3 fatty acid. All these nutrients nourish the hair and promote hair growth. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in the development of healthy cells and tissue. Vitamin B helps in producing red blood cells, which carries oxygen and nutrients to the scalp and hair follicles. It improves blood circulation in the scalp, which allows the hair follicle to grow strong and healthy hair. Moringa is also a very good source of iron, which is very good for healthy hair growth. So guys, that is just some of the benefits of moringa. There are lots of other benefits. So I am going to go ahead and infuse more oil in the remaining moringa powder, and I'm going to be infusing it for at least 1 month to make it more potent, guys. So here I am transferring the oil into my applicator bottle. A lot of you always ask me where I get my applicator bottle from. I need you all to understand that we are not in the same country. So if I tell you where I get it from, sometimes you guys can't even relate to it because we are not in the same country. So I just urge you to check your cosmetic store, or you can check Amazon. I get most of my bottles from Konga or Jumia because I'm in Nigeria. So just check out any store close to you, or you can check it online. And guys, this is what we have. Can you see how greenish and potent this is looking? Okay guys, if you've watched to this point, please don't forget to like this video. It really means a lot to me, guys, please. And the next clip you're going to see is the application method. So guys, this is really simple. As you can see, my hair is clean. I'd already washed my hair the previous night. I washed and deep conditioned my hair, so I am using the moringa oil to seal in moisture. and I'm going to go ahead and put my hair in a protective style after the application. So I make sure I apply the moringa oil all over my scalp, my hairlines, my edges, and my roots. So guys, that is just all for the application method. And I go ahead to massage my scalp so that it can promote blood circulation, which promotes healthy hair growth. So guys, you can use this oil as your hot oil treatment. You can use it to make your moringa hair growth butter, which I am going to be making very soon on the channel. And this oil can stay as long as 6 months without going bad. You can use this oil for all your hair treatments. Add it to your conditioner, add it to your shampoo. Make sure you use it daily if you want to see faster hair growth. I started using it on my edges, and within 7 days I started seeing good results. So if you want visible results in 7 days, make sure you're using it every day on your scalp, your edges. Apply it all over your problem area, and you're going to see changes in a very short while, guys. So I am just going to leave you to enjoy the application, and I'm going to play you guys some music. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share the video, don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section, and of course do well to like this video because we want this video to get to many people, guys. So that will be all for now. Just keep watching the video.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.